You might say, I finished my company work. Yes, I finished my work, so I'm done. I'm very exist. Or you just worry, anxious, exist from life, so you say you need rest. Right, you need energy. But don't wait for powerful energy. Yes, life does not give you powerful energy. Only you can make your powerful energy. If you need powerful energy for making YouTube, then you will procrastinate every day. Yes, don't wait for 100% energy for making YouTube video. Just if you have 10% energy, then do make 10% energy with YouTube video. Yes, that's all. Don't wait for 100% energy.